Okay, so to get the chats, you log into Blackboard. All of you should be in there by now. You go to Chats, Online Chats, and then you toggle down. In this case, we're going to Ken's chat. You click here, you enter your name, and actually, if you could put, do your last name and then comma your first name. Log in, and as you see, you have some Java down here. It's gonna take 37 seconds, so I'm gonna pause in a second. But you just double click on it, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. And there it goes. You get a new screen, and you're not there. And then you run, and you're still not there. Another screen is gonna pop up. And there you go. It's going to ask you for your speed. Don't worry about it. Just say you have all these choices, but I mean, I always just leave it for cable, or you could go wireless. And then now you're in, and you can see your name there. And you're not going to be given a choice to put the video on. That would shut us down. And that's how we're going to do it. So if we have a snow afternoon, we'll see you this way.